Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix keyboard typing multiple letters at once. So it can be two issues, one with the software issues and other with the hardware. If the hardware issue, you just need to change your keyboard and nothing you can do about it. But if the software issue, we can tweak some settings. So the first step, what I suggest to do here is to unplug your keyboard and plug it again, and sometimes it will fix the problem. Second thing, put your USB to a different port and look if the problem persists. Other thing, just restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not. And if these simple methods do not work, then another step what you can do here is to go to control panel. On control panel, sort it out by small icons, then go to keyboard, and then here you should see character repeat, right? And make it too long, right? Apply OK, and look if the problem persists or not, right? If the problem persists, go to device manager. On device manager, look for keyboard or keyboards, and then update all the drivers. Right click and update all the drivers and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then uninstall all the drivers and restart your computer, and it will automatically install your drivers. And sometimes it can be with the Windows update. So what you can do here, you need to make sure you need to go to settings and make sure that Windows update, your operating system is running on the latest Windows update. And if it's not, just check for updates and install it, restart your computer, and look if the problem persists, right? So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.